Okay, so I think a lot of people are talking about AI and how it is being used and adopted in different organizations. My understanding is that over the last 12 months, organizations have been adopting AI in three different waves. The first wave is about about the time when you see your employees using different kind of AI tools, either Perplexity or ChatGPT or Claude or whatsoever, that they're using it to become more efficient, more productive. For example, developers using different coding tools. Um, you know, it, some people whose job is to do analysis. They use these AI tools to analyze data or come up with the first draft or structure of some sort of documentation. Product people doing product work more efficiently, and people have been using it in writing effective email copy, UX copy, and stuff like that, and operations. It applies to all sort of different domains and spaces, along with different departments inside an organization. So first wave is all about kind of pretty organic growth of AI tool usage, where people are learning to use it effectively in their day-to-day job. So the second wave is about when organizations start to see some real benefits in terms of either efforts saved or hours saved. And at that point of time, they start considering some safe and responsible way of rolling out licensed version of AI products. And AP Plus has already kind of done that. And you start seeing a lot more productivity gain. You can see that your data is not going out of your organization, and yeah, people are responsibly using the AI tool. And the second type of benefit that falls into second wave is about really generating monetary outcomes for the business, either by rethinking an existing feature, rolling it out at a lower cost, and really solving that particular problem 5x better or 10x better than the way it is currently being solved inside the product. So it could be related to enhancing search, or maybe information architecture, or maybe finding content inside a particular product, or maybe use some sort of kind of a really AI first thinking of a particular feature, which is, there are so many other kind of applications where you can apply and you can improvise a particular feature and outcome, and add more user value, and in some cases you'll be able to monetize it as well. So that's the second type of benefit in wave 2. Now there are this third wave, where some of the organizations have been a little bit more ahead, and the reason why they're ahead is because probably they're small and agile, they can do it. That the larger organizations struggle to get into this third wave, and which is about launching AI first products. You uncover a new use case, you launch a different product which can be monetized, and you start seeing very good adoption, and in some cases, you just pivot your company, you become an AI first team or AI first organization where you operate at scale at a lower operational expense. So that's the kind of third wave where a lot of new startups are coming into that space, and some organizations have also launched AI first products as well. So there are three waves in which I have been seeing organizations adopting AI: wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3. And all these organizations are in these different waves even now. Some organizations are a little bit more mature, some organizations are not that mature, but eventually I think the wave 3 will be commonplace across many organizations.